Okay, this is Saly, and her due date is in a couple of days, weeks. Hey, Rocky. Hey. Hello. But every time I'm too late. So I thought maybe it's better to use the bird alarm. So I think I'm going to use it. Yes. Rijntje, Rocky, and Saly. So that's the gird, and now I put in this one. And it's on. So maybe it's not necessary yet, but you never know, it's Saly. No, not yet. Reina, Rijntje, Saly. No Foal. Hey, I take off the bird alarm. Hi there. I'm on my way to Friesian. Yay. And someone is coming with me. And she is going with her own car that way. And we see her there. Hey, Reisi. And who's that?
Hi.
Andrea. Andrea is going to ride Reisi, Rising Star.
Ja, dat ben ik. Zo graag. Zo.
Zeg lekker.
Ja, dat is goed.
Nee, drugs.
Doe maar los.
Maar het is gewoon wel pakken, hè? Dat is het idee. Nou, dit is echt mooi. Je wil niet zo. Ja, doe dat al. Ja, dat is voor mij al gewoon.
Ja, dat is zo natuurlijk.
Ja. Ja, dit is wel leuk, hè?
Ja.
Maar hier gaat dit prachtig, want we zitten elke keer met je naam.
Oh, zij, nee.
Ja, maar precies hier, dit is dat keer alleen naar veel, maar als je een beetje. Ja, misschien voor de baan is weer. Ja, maar dat gaat het al wel afspelen, dat is heel dik op die plek. Is ik nooit.
Nee. Maar het doet daar.
Ja, dat is al weg. Ik wil net dat hij de les wat pino had of zo.
Nee, dat merk ik net nog.
Nee.
Dus zoeken we niet wel met rollen, toch?
Nee, daarom. Maar ik moet de oortjes er altijd op en hij moet aan het spelen en aan het watchen.
Zo, ja.
En ik denk, hoe meer kracht hij krijgt, hoe beter het denk ik het wordt.
Goed zo, Rijssie. See you next time. Bye. And what did you think about him?
Oh, my English is not so good, but
Just try.
Very nice horse. Very sweet. Yeah, it's good.
I think so.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes.
Goed zo, Peach. Braaf. Goed. Okay, now I am alone. So I don't do Peach in front of the carrots when I'm alone. But I try it like this. Goed zo, Peach. Braaf, Peach. Goed zo. Braaf, ja. En ho. Goed zo, braaf. Stappen. Goed zo. Well, I think. Oh, goed zo. Well, I think Peach is doing great. Goed zo, braaf. Tja. Oeps. Hey, Rijntje. Het hagelt. Hey, Saly. You're a bit white. Hey Bella. Hello. Blomke. Yvke eating trees. I don't know if I like it. But they all do it. There's Boukje. And over here, Reina. Hey Reina. Hello. And the ponies. Daisy, Glendy and Peach. I'm riding Reina, but it's very windy. And Reina thinks it's a bit scary there with the trees. Yes, you. And I wear Reintje's bridle. I think it fits good. Yay. Okay, I tried to put it on the trees, but I don't know where to begin. Hey Bella. Blomke. I tried to film this. I'm standing here, putting on this. Hey, Boukje. And the horses are with me, like this. Yes, you are. But there were, hey, there were 3 horses, but now only 1. You too, Yvke? Yeah, Yvke too. I don't know yet. Bella. Boukje. Well, I did this tree and that one. So I hope you don't like it. No. And next time I do that one. But I have to go now. Hi, I'm here with Saly. And every time when I'm in the stable, I check Saly. And look what I saw. Whoa, there are drips. So I hope her foal is coming soon.